One of the best and evergreen niches on YouTube and TikTok that you can do as a beginner is this geo-documentary niche. This niche is not competitive yet. The reason is, creating this type of map animation is going to take a lot of effort, time, and animation skill. But I found an easier way to make these animations within just 2 minutes. If you don't believe me, take a look at this example video.
Poland is on high alert tonight after confirming it has shot down several Russian drones that crossed into its airspace. Officials say the drones may have come from military operations in Ukraine, but many believe they could also be deliberate provocations. Each incident raises new questions. Are these accidents, or is Russia testing how far it can push NATO's defenses? For NATO, the stakes are serious. Poland is not just any neighbor, it's a frontline member of the alliance. Under NATO's rules, an attack on one country is treated as an attack on all. That means even a single drone strike on Polish soil could spark a wider conflict. Security experts warn that Moscow may be trying to measure NATO's response, and every hesitation could encourage more aggression.
I created these animations with just 2 AI tools, and it's super easy to do. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make videos for this geo-documentary niche and start your own YouTube or TikTok channel under this niche. This is going to be a full guide about this niche. I did my research around this niche, so you can cover anything related to news from different countries and global gossip. So this niche is so good because it has a huge audience around the world. You clearly understand it by checking the views of this TikTok page. Every video has gained more than several million views. The first thing we need to do is find a viral topic and make a script for it. The best way to do that is to follow news channels on TikTok, because they upload global news and gossip every day. And also, you can find topics through Google. If you go to Google Trends, you can find all the trending searches. And based on those searches, you can easily find viral topics. If you are too bored to do your own research, just go to ChatGPT and ask it to give 10 viral video ideas about trending news these days. As you can see, within just seconds, I got 10 video ideas. AI makes everything 100 times easier. For this example video, I'm going to select this topic, border tensions between Poland and Russia. The next step is to create a script for this topic. I'm going to get help with ChatGPT for that, but I don't recommend you guys to use the direct script from ChatGPT. Make sure to convert it into your own words. Using an AI-generated script directly on YouTube is not good when it comes to monetization. So, you can use this prompt to generate a unique video script. Copy this prompt and add your video topic to this, and ChatGPT will generate an amazing script. But like I mentioned earlier, don't directly use this, get a clear idea from this script, and make a unique version by yourself. And then, you can use text-to-speech AI tool like 11 Labs or DupDub AI to convert this into a voiceover. I'm not going to show details about how to do it because I know that everyone can easily generate an AI voice using AI tools. Now let's move on to the most important part, which is creating map animations and motion graphics for this video. Okay, for this, you don't need to have any motion graphic skills. You only need 2 AI tools, Nano Banana and any AI video generator like Kling or VO3. So let's start this tutorial. First, you need to have a clear understanding of your video script because first we have to imagine which sort of motion graphics and map animation we are going to use. First, we need to create a world map, something similar to the example. So I searched on Google and got this satellite view of Poland, and I'm going to take a screenshot of it. Then I uploaded it to Flash 2.5, aka Nano Banana, and asked it to convert the Poland country into red. Then I changed the theme into a darker version. Then I wanted to remove all the letters except Poland from this map, and then I got what I wanted, but the red area was also gone. Then I again asked it to make the Poland red, but instead I got this white and red, which is similar to the Polish flag. That's fine, we can work with it. Now I'm going to download these 2 images, and let's go to Kling AI. I'm going to use this image to video feature. As the starting frame, I'm going to upload the first image without the highlighting part. Then as the end image, I'm going to add that image where Poland is highlighted. As the prompt, I'm going to type a simple prompt, like this. Zoom in on Poland on the map, then red and white colors appear in the Poland area as ink art. This is the result I got from Kling AI. It's not as good as I expected, so I tried the same thing on VO3 and here is the animation I got. Now, this is really amazing. Now let's make the next animation. I asked Gemini AI to add a yellow, glowing border around this country, and this is the result I got. Now, just like we did before, let's add the starting frame and end frame and make this animation. The prompt I'm going to be using for this is glowing yellow color border appears. Okay, here's the result I got. This is also good. Now let's make some complicated animations. First, I asked it to change the camera angle so that I could get a lower skewed angle. Now I'm going to add some fighter jets above it. Then I tried several variations like missile launchers because I want to make an animation where this missile launcher fires at these jets. So what I did was, first I created this scene where 3 jets go above Poland and a missile launcher appears from the ground. Okay, now I think we can complete the first scene. So I added all the necessary clips and used CapCut to edit the sequence. And here it is without sound effects.
Poland is on high alert tonight after confirming it has shot down several Russian drones that crossed into its airspace. Officials say the drones may have come from military operations in Ukraine, but many believe they could also be deliberate provocations. Each incident raises new questions. Are these accidents, or is Russia testing how far it can push NATO's defenses? For NATO, the stakes are serious. Poland is not just any neighbor, it's a frontline member of the alliance. Under NATO's rules, an attack on one country is treated as an attack on all. That means even a single drone strike on Polish soil could spark a wider conflict. Security experts warn that Moscow may be trying to measure NATO's response, and every hesitation could encourage more aggression.
Okay, now we need to add more text animations or some motion graphics to this. I generated these 32 flags of NATO members inside this green screen background. The reason I used a green background is that we can easily remove it when editing this video on CapCut. You will understand it later. Then, just like we did before, I used VO3 AI to convert this into a cool animation. Then, I'm going to upload this video to CapCut and let's add it to the suitable place. Now, you can go to the Remove Background option and select the Chroma Key feature. Then, you can select the color picker and click the green background, and it will remove the green background. That's really easy. The next step is to add suitable sound effects to this scene. You can use a website like Pixabay to find suitable sound effects, and it's free. If you want to use more unique and high-quality sound effects, you can use a website like Epidemic Sounds, or you can use 11 Labs, which has a new feature where you can generate high-quality sound effects using AI. So, I added some cool sound effects to this video, and here's the scene with sound effects and new animations.
Poland is on high alert tonight after confirming it has shot down several Russian drones that crossed into its airspace. Officials say the drones may have come from military operations in Ukraine, but many believe they could also be deliberate provocations. Each incident raises new questions. Are these accidents, or is Russia testing how far it can push NATO's defenses? For NATO, the stakes are serious. Poland is not just any neighbor, it's a frontline member of the alliance. Under NATO's rules, an attack on one country is treated as an attack on all. That means even a single drone strike on Polish soil could spark a wider conflict. Security experts warn that Moscow may be trying to measure NATO's response, and every hesitation could encourage more aggression.
Okay, that's how you can create animations and motion graphics for this niche without using After Effects or any other animation tool, and I hope this video was helpful for you to start your YouTube journey. So, with that, today's video is about to end. I will see you guys in the next one.